PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair provides top-notch furnace repair solutions around Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our experienced technicians are trained to safely diagnose, repair and replace furnaces of all sizes. We work closely with our customers to provide them with the highest level of service and products available. Our technicians have extensive training and years of experience to ensure that every job is done correctly the first time. Contact our commercial furnace repair specialists today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a commercial furnace repair expert near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Service and Repair. What is the significance of furnace repair? Common accidents, such as a breakdown or poor airflow, can be avoided with routine maintenance. Carbon monoxide is produced by furnaces as part of their operation, and a leak can be hazardous. What exactly does a furnace do? Furnaces heat the air and use ducts to circulate the hot air throughout the house or building. Steam is delivered to steam radiators via pipes, and hot water can be delivered by baseboard radiators or radiant floor systems, or it can heat air via a coil. What is your service area for the Glen Mills office? Our experts in commercial furnace repair have assisted clients in Glen Mills, Thornbury Township, Concordville, Thornton, Garnet Valley, Kennett Square, Birmingham, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Garnet Valley, Aston Mills, Auburn, and Mendenhall, Pennsylvania. Where is your Glen Mills, Pennsylvania commercial furnace repair service office located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Baltimore-Pike-Glen-Mills-HVAC-service.